See, places like this actually give me hope. See, this whole area used to be farmland until in 1998, two men decided to return it to its former glory. They started planting thousands of native plants and trees, and now look at the place. It's incredibly biodiverse, with many unique and rare animals calling this place home now, like the Lumholtz's tree kangaroo, or the spectacled flying fox, which is critically endangered. This just goes to show that if we give nature a chance, years and years of damage can be undone.